you're doing credit restoration right now, it is a real hassle. The difficulty is strenuous. And when you're using some of these software platforms out here, you still have to think, you still have to pick, you still have to choose, you still have to print, you still have to mail and do all of this. Credit Reversal Guru takes all the headache away. We're able to process all 3 credit reports in as little as 11 seconds. Not only that, but we're giving results that people have never saw before in the history of America. We reverse credit statuses that come back to show paid as agreed, never late. Even if it was a repo or a foreclosure, a charge-off, defaulted student loan, we can help to reverse this information to get it to show paid as agreed, never late. That's unheard of. There's nobody does this in the industry. All people want to do is add trade lines. Trade lines are fake. You want to go with Credit Reversal Guru. Reverse the dare.